Hi, this is Gary with Aldan American. Today we've got laid out one of our new packages that we're putting together for the 64.5 to 66 Mustang. So it's the SPC upper control arm, caster rod, our coilover kit with all of our hardware. And as you can see on this caster rod, this is the straight bottom style for the 64.5 to 66 Mustang. But what's unique about this caster rod is it's designed to be adjustable so that you can adjust the caster in the front of your 64 to 66 Mustang. On the upper control arms, they have the Shelby drop built into them. So instead of the bolts being on center of the cross shaft, they're on the top side of the cross shaft. So what that does is it lowers the control arm. And so what that's doing is it's incorporating the Shelby drop. So included with the kit is the upper ball joints and all of the hardware to install the control arms. Now on the caster rods, it does include all of the bushings. It includes all the nuts and bolts, washers, hardware to make for an easy installation. On the Aldan American coilover kit, what's really nice about it is we have our laser cut brackets, we have the rings that go on the bottom side of the spring pocket to support the brackets, and we have all brand new grade 8 hardware to ease your installation on your Saturday afternoon project. For more information about this and all other Aldan American products, check us out at aldanamerican.com.